What's up, YouTube? And I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Let's click that pretty little picture right there. Alright? And I am here with the tips, tricks, and tea of life. I'm going to tell you the stuff your best friend won't even tell you, okay? And that's just on that. So, today I am going to be talking about, oh my gosh. So, yesterday, so a time that I was followed. I've been followed before. When I say follow, I mean straight creep. Somebody following me, either in a car, walking. But yesterday it was in a car. I was driving as well. I was on my way going to Little Caesars and back, or whatever, right? So Little Caesars is really close to my house. So I'm thinking, oh, I'm good, It's me and my daughter, we're going to Little Caesars, getting some pizza, come back. So I get in the car and I drive and I go. And when I get to Little Caesars, everything's all good. I get my pizza. Um, then we leave, we get in the car, we go. And I'm driving back home. And as I'm driving back home and stuff, I'm paying attention. I'm doing all the stops, turning signal, all of that. I'm paying attention to what's going on behind me. It wasn't any cars going behind me. It was pretty, quiet on the street, for the day that it was. So, because it is during the week, it's like Thursday today. Yesterday, that was Wednesday. It was like in the middle of the day. So, yeah, so basically, um, I'm pulling into my neighborhood and there's nobody behind me, right? There's nobody behind me. And I know that because I have to look in my rearview mirror because I have to, I usually brake when I make my like turns and stuff just to make sure I'm not whipping around that corner too quick. So I brake and I look behind me and there's nobody behind me. So tell me why. As soon as I make that turn, a red, like it looked like a Crown Royal. No, like them big cars like a Park Avenues, but it was red and it didn't have any tints on it. So you can see who was inside. It was these two guys inside. The one guy was bald, was in the passenger seat, and the other guy had hair. But anyway, so I'm driving, and as I'm driving, I'm like, this dude is super close to like he's on my tail right now. Like, what are you doing? Like, back up, chill. So I start, just driving, going to, and I go and I park, in front of my place. So then when I go and I park, I'm on the phone. Well, actually, either I get on the phone or I call. Oh yeah, so no, okay, so yeah, I call my boyfriend and I'm like, yeah, okay, come outside, come get the pizza, da da da. We're outside. So as I call him and stuff, I hadn't really noticed that the car was still behind me, but the car had pulled in to the left of me and stuff. So they had pulled in, like the dude in the passenger seat was looking like just like hard, like super hard, just staring super hard. And I'm like, babe, like this dude is looking at me like he's wide face gape, like staring at me. And he's like, oh, okay. So he comes outside, and then the dude sees him, and like my brother, he makes a face at the guy, and they like turn around and they speed off. But my whole thing was I didn't even know like there was no car, like there was literally no car behind me. There was literally no car behind me. I was paying attention. Usually I'm very aware, um, of situations like that. You know what I mean? Because like I said, I've been followed before. I know what to look out for. So that just blew my mind. Like there was literally no car behind me from the jump. Like that was like ridiculous to me. Yeah, they're like, and I'm saying this to say, like, you never know what's going on. Like, if you get a vibe, or not just get a vibe, but like, you should always have somebody. If you're out going somewhere by yourself, call somebody. Be on the phone with somebody that that you can talk to, that can be on the phone with you to make sure that you're safe. Because you never know what's going on. Okay, people keep be waiting to snatch you up. People keep be waiting to take your kids, do like crazy. Like, listen, okay, mind your surroundings and pay attention. Don't just pass it off like, oh, I'm just tripping. Oh, I'm just paranoid. Like, nah, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying not to curse, but bump all that. All right. So seriously, guys, the object for today, January 30th. It has been a very long month, guys. Um, it's been a very long month. This month has feel like multiple months. Like I said, I feel like this month has lasted way longer than 2019 in general. But you know what I mean? It's okay. You know, we all get through it. We're thankful and grateful and blessed to be here another day for another beginning, another start, another 24 hours, another day to be able to do what you feel is going to help you live your best life. And when I say live your best life, to, I don't even know how to put this, just have morals. You know, don't hurt people, don't hurt kids, don't hurt animals. You know, let's all come together and try to be nice to each other. Like, I know that that sounds, oh, you know, kumbaya crazy, but seriously, just be nice. Like, it's not hard. I know you go through stuff, but other people don't have to feel that, you know? And a lot of times, silence is worse. You know, I mean, well, the best with revenge to anything. At the end of the day, if so, you don't say respond to anything that somebody's doing. 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna even like. They're gonna give up because they're gonna be like, "Do you see me? Do you see what I'm doing to you?" Like, you know. So just wait it out, guys. I'm not gonna say wait it out, but at the end of the day, follow your heart, follow your dreams, follow your life, follow the rules that you set for yourself. Okay, you always have to set some rules for yourself and rules that you always set that you always abide by. Everybody has to have a code. You create your code. Your code is up to you. All right. Um, Ladies, be safe. Like I said, be on the phone with somebody, buddy system, something. Not just ladies, guys, everybody, guys, just be safe. Okay. Every person, individual, be safe. All right. Because you never know what's going on. You never know what's around the corner. You never know what's happening. Just be mindful. Okay. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. And peace.